Hello friends, myself CA Rakesh Agrawal. Today I am going to talk to you about CA Final. Under the new syllabus, that is 2023 syllabus, there is something called as self-paced online module. All of you know that. Self-paced online module, for which institute is supposed to provide the coaching as well as institute is supposed to conduct the exam based on MCQs on computer system. And I am talking about this self-paced online module exam for strategic cost and performance management. Subject is strategic cost and performance management. Friends, I am going to talk to you today about how the earlier syllabus, which was called as strategic cost management and performance evaluation, under the old syllabus, how these old lectures are helpful to you, and I am providing these lectures to you at a discounted price for those who want to buy these lectures for self-paced online module exam. So it will be a short video and might be useful to you if you are going to appear for the self-paced online module exam. Now, transition from this old syllabus of strategic cost management and performance evaluation to strategic cost and performance management. Just a change in name. Majority of the syllabus is same, only the title is changed by the institute. Dear student friends, some of my students who had purchased my earlier video lectures of this old syllabus called SCMPE, but they appeared under new syllabus for self-paced online module exam. They gave me the feedback that these old lectures which they had already purchased helped them to crack the new exam successfully. Old lectures helped them to crack the exam under new syllabus. Now earlier, when the syllabus underwent a change, earlier I had withdrawn that old subject SCMP product from my website because I thought it is of no use. But then when the students gave me the feedback, and when I found that this old syllabus is also useful to you, now I have reintroduced the same product, that is my old recorded lectures. I have made it available again on my website, but at a substantially lower price. At a substantially lower price, you can say almost at a 1/4 price, I have made them available now for new syllabus. Now, why this old syllabus lectures, SCMPE lectures, why they are still useful to you? So that is what I am going to discuss today with you. One thing is very clear, my dear friends. I am not going to bluff. I am not going to offer you old lectures under new name. That is for very sure, right? I am not a person who will tell you that these are new recorded lectures. Not at all. These are the lectures recorded under the old syllabus of SCMP. I have to just tell you how they are useful to you for new syllabus. First of all, almost 90% syllabus is exactly the same. You can say 80 to 90% syllabus of SCMP, and now the new name is Strategic Cost and Performance Management. 80 to 90% syllabus is same. It means old lectures still are valid. Majority of the descriptive questions from the old module, because under the old syllabus you used to have descriptive questions, not MCQs, but these descriptive questions are still as it is copied in the new module by ICAI. When you open the ICAI module, if you want to study it, you will find the old syllabus theory as well as descriptive big size questions are copied as it is. Now in the old syllabus of SCMP, we used to have the questions ranging from 5 marks to 20 marks. Single question ranging from 5 marks to 20 marks. Now what has happened under the new syllabus? In the new syllabus also, a question comes in the form of a case study or a case scenario, and the question, that is one case study or case scenario, is ranging from 6 marks to 12 marks, with the only difference that it is broken down into small size questions, that is MCQs, of 2 marks each. Means what? The case scenario or case study is one, let us say, of 6 marks. But for these 6 marks, you'll have to answer 2 MCQs. Sorry, 3 MCQs of 2 marks each. So 3 MCQs of 2 marks each. That is how it will be of 6 marks. And suppose if the question is for 12 marks, it means you'll have to answer 6 MCQ questions. 6 MCQ questions, each question carrying 2 marks. Are you getting it? So based on one case study or one problem, you'll have to solve 3 or 6 MCQ questions. In short, what has happened? It is like asking a question on each step separately. Earlier, we used to solve one question, big question, full question for entire marks. Now they will frame small questions on each of the steps through which we used to solve the questions. So instead of one big question, you will get small questions, which is good for you. But the case study and case scenario remains almost the same. Now there is a paper called paper 6 titled as Integrated Business Solution. A lot of students are worried about this paper. I hope you have seen your syllabus, because from 8 papers, your written papers, from 8 it is reduced to 6. But in addition, they have added the self-paced online module, right? You know that. So the paper number 6 is called Integrated Business Solution, and many students are worried about it, including we teachers. Now, first of all, it's a written paper, paper number 6. Now, I'm trying to form the connection between paper 6 and SCMPE. That is why I'm discussing this, that how the old syllabus of SCMPE will be useful to you for answering paper number 6, which is a written paper for 100 marks. And this paper is based on multidisciplinary case study with strategic management. It is going to be multidisciplinary case study with strategic management. I think you already know all this. Now this paper number 6, which I am talking about, it combines the syllabus of 7 subjects. It combines the syllabus of 7 subjects, including the subject of strategic cost and performance management. So it's a combination. The question will be framed, which you'll have to answer from 7 subjects angle, right? Keeping the knowledge of 7 subjects in mind. Now, in this paper, you are asked to solve any 4 out of 5 case studies. In the question paper, you will find total 5 case studies, out of which you'll have to solve any 4, and each case study will carry 25 marks. So one case study is for 25 marks, please remember. And the breakup of 25 marks is, out of 25 marks, for 10 marks are reserved for MCQs, again 5 MCQs of 2 marks each, and then 15 marks are for descriptive questions. Descriptive questions, they may ask 5 marks, 3 questions, or 8 marks and 7 marks. So they will do some permutations and combinations for 15 marks, and 5 MCQs of 2 marks. All they are based on only single case study, right? And that case study you have to handle from multiple angles, keeping the knowledge of 7 subjects in mind. And time allowed to solve this paper is 4 hours instead of 3 hours, because these are going to be big size questions. So time allowed is 4 hours, and it's an open book exam, my dear friends. It's an open book exam. But don't fall prey to the institute's mischief, I would say. You will waste majority time in just turning the pages. And how many books you'll have to carry? You'll have to carry the books or modules of 7 subjects. Try to understand how much luggage you'll have to carry and keep searching. So it is, I think, planned to waste your time. Anyway, but it's an open book exam, and if required, you can definitely take the help of those books and modules. Now the old syllabus, SCMPE, under the old syllabus, it covers many such big size case studies. Under the old syllabus of SCMPE, we used to solve a case study for 20 marks, right? These used to be of 20 marks each. So a lot of case studies are covered under SCMPE. Now, though these SCMPE case studies were not the multidisciplinary case studies, please remember, they were not multidisciplinary, they were only for one subject. But you will still get an idea about handling the case study type of questions with strategic management. And that is why I'm trying to convince you that these old lectures of SCMPE will be useful to you for answering paper 6 also. It means the study of old syllabus will not only help you to appear for your self-paced online module exam, but will also help you to solve paper number 6, that is multidisciplinary case study. Now finding a good teacher for this paper 6 is going to be difficult job, please remember. Now why difficult? It's not that nobody can teach, anybody can try, but that teacher, that he or she should know all these 7 subjects who want to teach this paper 6, that is accounts, financial management, audit, direct tax, indirect tax, corporate laws and strategic cost and performance management. These 7 papers or subjects are clubbed into one, that is in paper number 6, multidisciplinary case study. Now which product is good for you? I am talking about the old syllabus lectures. There are 2 products which we have, so I am going to tell you which one is good for you. If you have already completed your studies for that self-paced online module and you are planning to appear for that self-paced online module of strategic cost and performance management within a week's time, right? So time left is very short. Then you may buy our quick revision batch of this old syllabus, SCMPE syllabus. A quick revision batch, it is priced only for ₹200. So there is no harm in trying. Now it will revise your concepts within just 18 hours. The total recording time is 18 hours for that quick revision batch of SCMPE. Please remember, it doesn't contain questions, practical questions, but the concepts are revised. So if you have short time left, there is no harm in trying out our product of just ₹200 and revise your concepts once again. But if you are studying this subject for the first time in your life, and if you are keeping an eye on paper 6 also, if you have got that long-term vision, means your vision is not just to clear that self-paced online module exam, but you have an eye on that paper 6 multidisciplinary case study. From that angle also, if you want to study, then you should go out for our regular batch of SCMPE of our old syllabus, right? Regular batch. It's a very detailed one. Now that subject I used to sell for in a range of 12,000 to 15,000 earlier, right? The video lecture, the same video lectures, now I am offering you at a very discounted price of ₹3,000 to 5,000, and this price range is due to the number of views and the validity options. So you can check those views and validity options, and the price range is now 3,000 to 5,000 instead of 12,000 to 15,000. Now this regular batch for first time study students, this regular batch covers a detailed study with a theory of each chapter is discussed, practical questions are solved and case studies are handled for this old syllabus of SCM and P under regular batch, please remember. Now you may first view, if you are skeptical that how this person teaches, those especially who don't know me much or about me, then you may first view the demo lectures which are available on our website also. Website address is here only, right? This is my website address and I'll show it to you again. So you can either go to the website, from there you'll find a link, or you can go to our YouTube channel, right? Just on YouTube channel you should say CA Rakesh Agrawal and that channel will open. So before taking any decision, you can view our demo lectures for regular batch as well as for quick revision batch, or from website also you'll find the link for those demo lectures. So first watch them. If you find it is useful to you for a new syllabus, then only you can take a decision of buying. Now both the above products, that is regular batch and quick revision batch, they are recorded 100% in English language, especially for those who do not understand Hindi at all. Because I've seen there are a lot of teachers who teach in Hindi or in the mixture of Hindi and English. But I have specially seen the students from south side, they generally struggle to understand Hindi. And purposefully, I have recorded all these lectures 100% in English. Even otherwise, you have to write your paper in English only. So whether the student is from Hindi belt or from English belt, for both of them, the English lectures are useful. So they are 100% in English, both the batches, regular batch as well as quick revision batch. In case if you need more details, then you may please visit our website, which is www.carakeshagrawal.in. On this website, you will get the details of the products. You will find the link for demo lectures also at near the product itself. Now both the above products can be viewed by downloading an app. Now they are based on an app now. So you'll have to download an app either on your Android device or Windows device. So lectures can now be viewed on app instantly. What you have to do, just you have to, the moment you buy a product, quick revision or regular batch, you will get a password, that is a product key. So once you download the app and insert that product key, you will start viewing the lectures, right? So in that app, so you can start watching the lectures as per your convenience, anytime, anywhere, just by entering the product key in that particular app. Thank you friends for watching this video and sharing this information with your CA Final friends. I mean to say, if you find this information useful, for those of your friends who are going to appear for a self-paced online module exam of the subject called Strategic Cost and Performance Management, then you may share this video with them. Okay friends, see you soon as a chartered accountant. Bye bye.